These are the top 5 mistakes small YouTubers make. Mistake number 1. You're not focused on a specific niche. The best niches are health, money, happiness, and relationships, but you can pick any niche that has at least 20 channels on YouTube that have over 100,000 subscribers. Just make sure all of your videos focus on that niche. Mistake number 2. You don't make videos regularly. Yes, it's easy to get discouraged, but YouTube success is not a sprint, it's a marathon, sometimes a very long one. Mr. Beast is the most successful YouTuber of all time, and it took him over 1,000 videos before he saw success. Usually, if you're in the right niche and regularly upload good content, you should see growth after about 40 or 50 videos. So pick a realistic schedule you can stick to, like 1 video a week, and keep uploading. Mistake number 3. You don't make incremental improvements. If you're in a popular niche but are getting very low views even after uploading 30 to 50 videos regularly, you're probably making the same kinds of videos over and over again that don't work. After every video you make, try to pick one thing and improve it on your next video. It could be the camera angle, adding more cameras, adding or changing music, lighting, your setting, titles, or better thumbnails. Try different things and observe the progress, and make improvements accordingly. Mistake number 4. You don't look at your video analytics. Go to analytics and see what your audience retention graphs look like for your videos. If you see a spot where your views drop off, go back to your video and see what you did in that moment. See if there's a pattern, and stop doing that thing. On the other hand, if your views spike up in certain moments, see what you did that people liked and do it again in subsequent videos. Mistake number 5. You make intros and waste time. Just get straight into what you want to say. Increasingly, people want short content that gets to the point because there's just too much information but limited time to consume it. So provide high-quality content, get to the point immediately, and keep it short. Lastly, if you have the will and the means, the quickest way to YouTube success is to learn from a YouTube master who has already done what you want to do. Matt Parr has over 10 very successful YouTube channels and offers what I believe is the best course on how to make money on YouTube. There's a link in the description you can check out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.